so they were just using every player on their disposal vele about to actually save the other ones vele uthi ba rest. And then yeah, they introduced him Santos, quality player, best number 10 currently, like not even currently, I think best number 10 Mamelodi Sundowns. When this guy actually came here in APSL, I was like, will he be able, bro, to actually fill up the Legends level Elgar Ribeiro, because like Ribeiro was just something else available going to Mamelodi Sundowns, and they're playing very different positions well. And imagine if they had Ribeiro and like Santos, it was going to be something else, because that number 7 guy where Mamelodi Sundowns, I'm not pretty sure about him, but like Santos is just exceptionally quality player, bro. I don't know what he's actually doing like with PSL available, and he even saved the day available today with just passing the net, doing what my own player called Palmer from Chelsea actually did. Google car available, which like passing like in net, just place the ball, shooting Amanda, just do it like technique, that guy is the best technique. Look at my crosses ever since he came here, Mamelodi Sundowns, those long balls, my crosses and stuff. It is just like technical, very actually gifted available. And then they introduced him, and then also